Alright, so I got a notification that these had shipped Friday and they were here Saturday. So they shipped them out. I checked the tracking number and it literally took 1 day to ship. They went out Friday at like 3 or something, and then we're here Saturday morning. So this is where I'm at with the box. I got the port in. I kind of filled in the pocket holes on top and along the back. I didn't do the bottom ones because I got lazy and yeah, my hands were covered and I didn't have any gloves and shit, so I kind of gave up. And then there is a fiberglass mat along the back seam on the wall of the box. I didn't put fiberglass mat everywhere because that shit is a pain in the ass, and I've never worked with it before, and honestly it just sucked. So I don't know how to do it. So yeah, I'm laying resin down now. I'm gonna do a bunch of layers of resin and another support in there, and then paint it. And then I got the baffle going on upstairs. Fiberglass and paint, after resin, paint it. But yeah, I wanted to unbox this because I just cut the holes for the subs in the baffle. So I would like to test fit it and make sure it was right before doing so. Putting it inside. I'm going to make an unboxing video. Sheesh. I'm going to need my drill. Crap. I've only bought one pair of new subs before, and they were American base, and they were packaged alright. These are packaged a lot better. I was gonna buy some rebuilt subs, but I wanted this. I wanted the unboxing. I want the new sub feel. Okay. Shit, these are some serious screws. Warranty paper, some stickers. Is that the dust cap sticker? Oh, okay. I thought they mailed me the dust cap sticker instead of putting it on the sub. Foam. All right, let's maybe. I don't know. Just set the camera or something somewhere. Sweet. Get stitched push terminals because I don't really like that bolt down terminal stuff. Holy cow! Wow, that is stiff sub. All right. Well, that's my unboxing video. I'm going to use both hands and carry this upstairs and test fit it.